Hello, the ship is running out of fuel, shutting down engines to conserve energy.
Wait, but we're still accelerating. Why are we accelerating if the engines have shut down?
We continue to accelerate due to the force of gravity. We are approaching a large unidentified planet. The mass of the planet is pulling us to its surface.
So now we're going to crash instead? Computer, I don't think you understand the gravity of this situation.
Thea, please. Gravity is a fundamental force in our universe. It is the force that causes all objects with mass to attract each other, and it can be calculated with this.
Hey, I remember learning this way back in grade school. Wasn't there a guy with an apple or something?
Yeah, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, a guy named Isaac Newton was sitting underneath an apple tree when an apple fell and hit him on the head. Then he thought for a while and realized that gravity acts on all objects with mass, including us, which means we're going to have to make an emergency landing!
Correct. We will land in approximately 2 minutes. Meanwhile, more on forces. A force is always measured in newtons. Newton also realized that the net force of an object is equal to its mass times acceleration.
Did you know he also invented one of the world's worst torture devices?
Incorrect. Newton did not invent any torture devices within his lifetime.
But he invented calculus. Oh my god, a spider!
Whoa, Thea, you're so light. Have you lost weight?
Why, thank you.
She has constant mass, but has lost weight indeed.
What the guan? I've been stuffing myself with space Pop-Tarts for light years.
Weight and mass are different things. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object, but weight is the force of gravity acting on that object. Mass is constant, but weight can change if the force of gravity also changes, as in if you go to a different location. If you are, like us intrepid explorers, on a different planet with a different mass and different radius, the force of gravity is different, and therefore your weight is different as well.
Wow, that's a massive idea.
But wait, there's more. You can calculate the change in weight using this formula.
Whoa, these fuel pellets are so heavy.
And these space Pop-Tarts are on sale. Oh, strawberry, my favorite.
Whoa! They both hit the ground at the same time.
I wonder why that happened.
This is because acceleration due to gravity is constant regardless of mass. Two objects with different masses will fall the same distance in the same time because of this, as long as there's no other force acting on them.
That's no normal force.
True. Objects would fall towards the planet in absence of a normal force.
Who knew?
Computer, start up the engines. We've got to get out of here. We're late for the Intergalactic Physics Convention.
Initiating engines.
Wait, what's happening? We aren't moving.
The forces acting against our ship are greater than the forces that the rocket boosters can generate. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Hey, I thought you said that our rockets could generate enough force to counteract the downwards force of gravity.
Gravity is not the only force acting on our spaceship. While the rockets exert a force upwards, both gravity and the force of friction generated by the atmosphere are pushing against the rocket's upward motion. The sum of these two forces is greater than the force that the rocket boosters can generate. We are therefore not accelerating. I apologize, but I could not keep track of all these forces.
Well, gee, computer, you should have used a free body diagram.
Yeah, it really helps you keep track of all the forces and the directions in which they face.
Error 402. What is a free body diagram?
Whoa! Why did we just start moving?
We must have burned enough fuel to reduce the mass of our rocket. That way, the force of gravity acting on the rocket would have reduced, and now we can accelerate and carry on our way to the Intergalactic Physics Convention.
We're free!
Hooray for physics!